How to put your Onlyfans link in Instagram bio. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily put your Onlyfans link in your Instagram bio. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up any browser. Go to the Onlyfans website and log in. And after you have logged in, here you have to tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner here. Then tap on your name. Then here, once you're on your profile, you have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Then tap on share link to profile and tap on copy link. Now once you have copied the link, open your Instagram. Go to your profile. Tap on edit profile, tap on add link, tap on add external link, paste the link here in the URL, and if you want you can write a title. I'm just gonna leave it empty. Then after you have pasted your Onlyfans link, tap on check. Now go back, again tap on check. And now here you can see your Onlyfans link in your Instagram bio. So this is how you can put your Onlyfans link in your Instagram bio. Thanks for watching.